welcome back to my channel. Today I decided to switch it up a little bit and give you a step-by-step up close on how to perfectly contour your face and get this super trendy 2020 glowy luminous skin look. I am obsessed with the final results. If you are here for the first time, what's up? I'm Girl Beats World. I talk about all things beauty, from makeup to skincare. You get it all right here. So if that sounds like things that you like, please make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Let's not waste any more time. Let's get started. Today, we're getting right into this fun foundation contouring tutorial. It's going to be pretty quick. I know I always promise you guys that, but I don't always deliver. And super easy. I want to make sure I give you a step-by-step on exactly how to pull off a really great foundation. So right now, the trend is all about skin. Skin. You want your skin to look healthy and smooth underneath because you're gonna do a lighter foundation. It's not gonna be as heavy. It's not gonna be as many layers, I guess. So you just want to make sure that your skin, you're taking care of your skin on a regular basis. I have a couple skin routines that you can see in my pamper routine video, and you can see in my nighttime routine video. Both of those videos just popped up above me, so you can follow those routines to the T. Hold on, I mean, these curls are like perfection, so we can't mess those up. And let me know what you think. So what I'm putting on right now is some moisturizer. You want to moisturize the face and get that on very easily. Now, the process that I'm going to use today is, like I said, focus on skin and focus on the different fall trends that you've been seeing online that gives you those models that natural glow. So this is my Milk Hydro Primer. This is perfect to making your skin look nice and refreshed and healthy and smooth. It just helps with amplifying that look that you had before. So we got that. Oh, you see what I mean? It already looks like I have foundation on and I don't. So we want to keep it lightweight. That's the word I was looking for before. Lightweight is what we want to do. Okay, so now I'm using my Clinique. Why am I going with the Clinique even better instead of my Fenty or my NARS? And the reason why I'm going with the Clinique is because it's nice and lightweight. We want this to look like it's our natural skin and we're just out here glowing on our own, hun. So you can use your hands to apply this. You can use a blending brush. I want to try out my Sigma brush from that Sigma video. I've been literally holding off on trying this brush out just for this video. So it's been a hard thing to do, but oh my goodness. Look at how smooth and finished the skin looks. It's just incredible. Like, that's why you want to make sure you're doing your skincare, making sure your skin is nice and healthy, but you also want to make sure that you're blending everything in the way that it should be blended, and you're using a great moisturizer and a great primer as well. So look how silky this looks, how hydrated it looks. This is exactly the type of look we're going for. Next, I am using my Fenty concealer. I'm applying it underneath my eye, and we're going to not blend everything in the way that I normally would. If you want to see like my normal process, I want to show you exactly where to place everything so you can understand when you're applying. So we're gonna apply everything first and then blend it all in. It's gonna look very like the Instagram people who put their makeup on. I'm like, who puts their makeup on like that? But you know, sometimes you gotta show everybody exactly what the look is about to be. So we have this on. Perfect. So next, let's get right into contouring, which is probably why I clicked the video, right? This is my Huda Beauty Tantour contouring bronzer, and I use this bronzer to contour. You can use any cream bronzer. I have my e.l.f., but I feel like this is easier to show you because it's just a lot darker, so you can see exactly where we're supposed to line it. So I'm doing it, see how my cheeks are here, right up against that cheekbone, right underneath it. And I'm applying it right there. You can almost see like the line right where you should place it. If you have a little chubbier cheeks than I do, then feel for the cheekbone like this and then slide it right down. You don't want to, of course, reach in your mouth. You want to stop it right here. For a more chiseled look, you can also put some right here on your jawline. And then, of course, you want to apply some at the top, which is why my hair is up. Like so. Beautiful. Okay, you don't want to forget the nose. So with this contour brush, it's called the Emphasize Contour brush. It's from Sigma. I can just press this up where I want it to go and have it, I want it to reach my eyebrows a bit. So just gently blend that in and place it there. Okay, so now that we can see all of where the placement is, let's go ahead and blend. So to blend in my concealer, I am using my Tapered Kabuki brush from Sigma, and I am going to just work this Fenty in to my face. Give it that nice, oh my gosh. These brushes are legendary. Oh my gosh, look at that blend. Wow, what have I been doing my whole life? Like, I really love y'all because I've had these brushes for a few weeks. You guys saw when I did the unboxing, and I've literally held off until I've had time to be able to sit and record this video for you. And oh my God, Sigma. Oh, you were worth all the coin, honey. All of it, all of it. Take my money. Like the Leonardo meme, the Leonardo gift. Take it, take it. Okay, we're gonna get the nose. You wanna blend that, and the motion I'm using is upwards, and I'm kind of applying a little pressure to make sure it's blended and flows out nicely. You want to get a concealer brush, you want to get a contour brush. Like, you can build up to it, but don't try to use one brush for everything unless it's the Tati Beauty Blendiful, because it was made for that. But everything else, not so much. And even the Tati Beauty, I'm like, okay, I don't know about this for every piece. I use it for some. Yes! Ooh, honey, honey. Okay, I can use that same contour brush. Actually, I probably will. So here's the tip. When you're contouring and you're blending it out, you want to push it up. It just helps suck that face in a little bit more and gives you that drama that you need. So sometimes when I'm using this brush, this one's not one of the ones that I'm using for the first time. I've used this one before. It doesn't blend enough for me. So I do go in with the fluffier brush once I do those upward motions. So I just push it up, push it up, push it up, push it up. And then for my nose, I like to be very careful because I don't want to look too dramatic, right? On my nose, I want it to look natural. So on my nose, I like to use my fingers a lot. And it just, when you connect it to your eyebrows, it just gives you like a more elevated, sucked in look. I know I don't know how to use my words, like an avatar, maybe avatar trend. Yeah, why not? Okay. Oh yes, honey. But this is a little dramatic for most, so we're going to just buff it in with a larger contour brush. And yeah, blend it all in. You don't want any harsh lines. You want everything to flow seamlessly. Yeah, yeah. Honey bunches of oats. Yes, baby. Woo, I'm loving this. And guess what? I'm not gonna use setting powder. What? Girl, you must be crazy. I'm not, because I don't think this look really calls for it. If I was going out, I would. And you guys have seen me use setting powders a million times, but I really want to give this like sleek, wet. I don't want it to look matte, okay? I want it to look luminous. So I'm gonna skip the setting powder today for now, because you can already see it looks like I'm glowing. I don't think I need it. If I feel like I need it, I'll go back and I'll set. No big deal, okay? MBD. Baby. Okay, so I'm running out of time because I'm running out of light because I waited for the last minute to record this, so I gotta stay focused. All right, so we've got this on. We've got our face. We're glowing. We're looking great. Now we need to highlight. Okay, so when we're highlighting, we want to be bold, dramatic, luminous. We want to shine, honey, but we don't want to look greasy. When we're highlighting, also 2 brushes, feather brush, accent highlighter brush. Either or is fine, and so is your finger. So I like to start with my Fairy Balm from Fenty, and I'm wearing black, so I gotta be careful. And I just like to put it right on that top piece of my cheekbone. Super simple. Right on here as well, super simple. Again, we want it to be bold, but we don't want to look crazy, all right? Let's get that C motion. I like to do a little C, which means I want this area to connect up and stop right up at the top of my eyebrow. So get that C motion going, the brightest at the point, highest point of your cheek. Same for this side. Brightest at the highest point. I honestly could stop there. I really could, but I'm not going to, because I love an accentuated highlighter, and I want to show you this brush too. So what we're gonna do is use a little bit of our Anastasia Beverly Hills. We're gonna put a little bit on our accent brush. We're gonna go right on top of that just for a little extra oomph. Again, we're gonna blend it, make sure everything's blended in nice and well. We don't want to disrupt our nice contoured cheekbones. Oh, this contour is coming out amazing. Yes, honey. So tapping into that, blending it, make sure everything looks nice and highlighted. Now, what people forget is you want to highlight between the temples as well, okay? And I'll go back with Fairy Balm. So between the temples, you want to highlight that point of your nose. Give it that nice little glow. I just did little small circular motions, blend it in if you're looking a little Rudolph. Cupid's bow. You can use your finger for this. You can use your brush. And then I've learned this recently, as you guys have been seeing in my videos, I like to highlight right on that line of the Cupid's bow as well. I don't like doing it with the brush because it comes out a little too much. So you see, nice, glowy, bright skin. Oh, can you even? I can't. I feel like a fairy, okay? I feel like a fairy. So, since I didn't use setting powder, what I'm going to do instead is setting spray. This is my MAC Cosmetics Prep and Prime. You can use it before or after. You want to keep it about 6 inches away from your face and give it a little blend or a little fan. And that's it. So I'm going to do my lip and I'm going to come back to show you the final look without my headscarf. Be right back, girlies. Mwah. Okay, girlies, so that is it. I hope you enjoyed this full contoured look. It's luminous, it's glowy, it's on trend. If you do have slightly more greasy skin, please, please, please make sure to use a little setting powder to make sure your face is set, because I don't think the prime and prep would be enough. Outside of that, I hope you enjoyed this video. Until next time, bye, girlies.